We would like to welcome you to Innovate, a site that is designed around the needs of Wood County Schools educators. The site aims to be a place where educators can connect to people and tools that support them with using technology to help create engaging, creative, and innovative instruction for students. You can find your way to the site by visiting innovate.woodcountyschoolswv.com. Later on, we'll show you where you can share feedback should you find that something's missing. On the front page, you will find a menu across the top with information about the site, as well as how to get in contact with a technology integration specialist. There's also a search button for searching the site, including all blog posts. As you scroll down the page, you'll find the latest posts from members of the Wood County Schools educational community. The sidebar quickly connects you to placing a work order for broken devices, reserving STEAM equipment for your classroom, as well as other pertinent information, including news about iPad software updates. The TIS team consists of Jimmy Stewart, Amber Maddie, and Eric Murphy. Each of us looks forward to assisting you and helping you to take your instruction to the next level with technology. When you're ready, reach out and invite us into your classroom, or perhaps you're looking for a staff-wide training. We are here to help. The site features support and inspiration for some of the most used technology in Wood County schools, including Apple's iPad. When you visit, you'll find links to learning more about iPads, finding inspiration and new ideas for your instruction, and a quick link to contact a technology integration specialist. Does it all seem a little overwhelming at times? We get it. Take a look at two different models for integrating tech into your instruction. Each model allows you to lean in to including technology at your own comfort level. After using the site, if you feel like something is missing or you'd like to offer a suggestion, visit the About Innovate page and share your feedback with us. We look forward to hearing from you. We hope the site is helpful and will grow over time to accommodate the needs of Wood County Schools educators. Thanks for visiting.